Well, there's 4. I was wrong. I thought there was 3. You can see the little 4th guy sticking his little head up, kind of. Oh, they're so cute. Look how big they've gotten. It's only been a couple days. But there's definitely 4 in there. Little babies.
It's a long way down. Don't jump.
I know, I'm terrified they're gonna jump. Oh, I don't know why that's my favorite part when they do that. Oh, but yep, there's 4. So, still don't have names for them all, but they're the Robinsons. And they're adorable. Now that 4th one is just all over the place. They're so cute though. I don't want them to ever move away. Hi, baby birds. It's funny, like I think they can hear us. Oh, that one did. You see that? It like looked up. Hi, baby. They're so cute. Alright, I just want to do a little update video of them. There's 4. And they're adorable. And they've like triple, quadrupled in size, so they're growing up quick. I was hoping the mom would come through one more time and like feed them before I end the video. So we'll see. But there's 4 up there. It's crazy. The other one was just really on the other side, tucked away, I think. You hear my dogs acting like psychos. Oh. That's freaking adorable. That one in the front always gets fed over all of them. Like the other little ones.
They rotate.
Yeah. You think they would get bored sitting there all day, but they sure don't. Oh, she got the... Okay, good. All right, guys. Peace.